How to know if someone blocked you on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. I'll simply go to my profile at bottom right and I'll simply copy this username. I'll simply switch the account. As you can see, I have switched the account. Now, simply go to search button on top. Paste the exact username and then block this account. As you can see, now I'll simply again switch back to my previous account. Click on home located at bottom left, then click on search button on top right corner of your screen. Paste the username. This username is previous, the one who blocked this account. As you can see, there is no username. So simply that means that person has blocked you. The answer is you need to simply add username of the person you want to find out who blocked you, like the exact username. And this is how to know if someone blocked you on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.